We have solve the equation and find the sum of the solutions. So here they want to know for what values of x, when we plug them in, are we going to get 0. So we're going to go ahead and just leave our problem as it is, and then we're going to go ahead and leave our problem as it is, like this, because whenever we have a quadratic equation, we just, what do? We factor it in order to figure out what values go in here, and then these will be our zeros. But our problem is already set up that way, and so we don't need to do any factoring here. So we can just take two scenarios, equals 0. So we have one factor over here, plus 2 equals 0, and one factor over here, x minus 1 equals 0. And now we just need to get x by itself. So we can subtract 2, and x equals minus 2. Here we can add 1, and we have x equals 1. So these two right here, these are our solutions. And then to find our sum, and then a second part of our equation is the sum of our solutions. This just means that we need to add them. We just add -2 plus 1, and that gives us -1. So -1 would be the sum of our solutions. And so just give you, again, just a reminder that you don't have to FOIL the original problem, because whenever we do get a quadratic equation, we always factor it in order to find the zeros. But in this case, our problem is already factored, so we don't need to do anything else to it. We just need to go ahead and get x by itself by moving that 2 and that -1.